In Spectacles by J.B. Priestley, we're going to do a vocabulary boost for your GCSE exam. Antagonist, so someone who would work against the main character in the novel or play. Bourgeois, and this is belonging to the middle class. Capitalism, and this is an economic and political system in which a country's trade and industry are controlled by private owners for profit rather than by the state. This is a collectivist, which is the practice or principle of giving a group priority over each individual in it. Conservative, and this is when your political views would favour free enterprise, private ownership and socially conservative ideas. Didactic, and this is when you'll be intended to teach, particularly in having a moral instruction with an ulterior motive. Important to mention the Great Depression, which was a global economic slump with widespread unemployment and poverty, which affected the middle and working class. Haughty, so disdainfully proud, snobbish or scornfully arrogant or supercilious. Hypocrisy, and this is the practice of claiming to have higher standards or more noble beliefs than is the case. An individualist, so this is someone who believes we are solely responsible for ourselves. And misogynistic, which is someone who is extremely sexist. Omniscient, and this is somebody who is all-knowing, just like the inspector. Pomposity, and this is for someone who is parading dignity and importance. Social class, a big theme for In Spectacles, the way that society is divided by money and occupation. Social responsibility, the idea that we are responsible for the more vulnerable people in society. And socialist, the left wing, and this is someone who believes in social responsibility, for example, Inspector Gall and Priestley. Opulent, which means wealthy, rich or affluent. So superficial, which is to be shallow, artificial or insincere. Materialistic, this is someone who is money orientated. Meritocracy, and this would be a ruling or an influential class of educated or able people. Microcosm, and this is a smaller version of a bigger thing. And Patriarchy, and this would be a male-dominated hierarchy. Proletariat, and this is the lowest or poorest class of people. Provincial, and this is about having opinions and ideas that are old-fashioned and simple. Squiffy, this is a slang term for being drunk or intoxicated. Unionisation, and to organise yourself in a group, e.g. a workers' union. So here's some sentence starters to help you. The playwright uses the dramatic device of. Metaphorically, symbolically, this implies. Gender equality is explored when. The connotations of this noun or verb are. This evokes and creates feelings of. Priestley's choice of lexis here presents.